disassemble a system unit. Let us unscrew the screws with a screwdriver and place the screws properly so I won't get lost. Now I'm going to take out the power supply next. I'm going to put it away for now and unscrew the external fan. Again, let us place the screws in one place so we won't misplace it. Detach every wires that are connected to the power supply. Now that we have attached all the wires, I'm now going to take the hard disk drive and the SATA cable out. I'm going to take the RAM out carefully. Since it costs a lot, we should take care of it. And then place it gently down. Let's next unplug the front panel from the motherboard. Lastly, I'm now going to unscrew the final component, which is the motherboard. And that's how you disassemble a system unit. Goodbye and thanks for watching!